What gave you the idea to go down to Mexico? Because you're the person who gave me the idea to start my call center and start sourcing them out of Mexico.
I've been thinking about a call center, but it's just too much work. No, what it is so I was talking to my wife, because I know there's a lot of call centers in Mexico. So I was talking to my wife, and then she's like, oh, yeah, my nephew, he speaks perfect English. I'm like, he speaks perfect English? She's like, yeah, but he was born in Mexico. She's like, yeah, but he works at a call center. I'm like, hey, do you work at a call center? He's like, yeah. I'm like, what do you do? And he was like, it was something for like solar or something. He's like, yeah, dude, and we just had a call center that just shut down. They let go of 26 people. I'm like, you want a job? And so then I hired him and like 3 of his friends, and that's kind of how it started building up. So like I'm actually thinking of like depending on what happens, like if things get crazy, I'm thinking of bumping it up to like 15, 20. So that's kind of where I'm at right now.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of the Winning Move Podcast. I hope it helps you make all the right moves in your life and business. Please make sure to go like and subscribe on any podcast platform that you're listening to, and make sure to go follow me on Instagram at StratDaddy. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon.